Nick from BS Tech, and today we are doing a tutorial on Windows 10, and we're focusing today's lesson on the Start menu. The Start menu is this button right here. You can use it by clicking on it, or there's usually a optional button on your keyboard. Anyway, we'll pull up this Start menu. Now, the first part we're going to start on is tiles. Tiles are the square-shaped app icons on the right side of the Start menu. Any one of these is a tile. Now, you can create tiles by going to All Apps, finding an app you want to be a tile, and just dragging it. That will become one, but say it's in a folder. You can also right-click and put Pin to Start. That will bring it here, and tiles can be grouped up together. So, for example, Kindle is with Office, but say I want it to be in its own, I can have it go down with Halo, but I want it even more down on its own. And there we go. Get Amazon group. Oops, keyboard just went out. And then Games group. Now, if you want to remove something from your Start menu, you'll have to right-click it and simply click Unpin from Start, and that will get rid of that. Now, there are other ways to actually customize your Start menu. Right here on the left side, you have quick shortcuts, and those can be customized by going to Settings. This will take just a moment. Okay, System. And where is it? Oh, I usually just, I don't know where it is all the time. I just go to Start in the search bar and go to Start Settings, which is in Personalization, and you can choose which folders appear on Start. Now these are all the quick shortcuts that will show up, and I'll show you what that looks like. For example, we'll do Music and Pictures now. And if we go all the way back to Start menu, now we have Downloads, Musics, Pictures, and File Explorer. So go back to Personalization, where Start menu toggles are, and we can use Start with Most Showed Apps. We can turn that off. We can turn that off as well. But this is really the biggest customization you'll have. You can even turn off File Explorer, Settings, Music. You can turn it all off, and it will just change to just Power. So I'm going to go ahead and change it back to the way I like it. I like these all being activated. Last but not least, there is actually a way to change how things look in the All Apps. Oftentimes in the All Apps section of your Start menu, apps will be grouped up into folders, and you may not like that. So go ahead, for example, I'll use this. Open File Location from this section, and you'll go to Start Menu Programs. So you'll click on Programs. The Start menu should point towards Programs. Click on Programs, and these are all the programs that show up right here. If you want to take some out of their folders, for example League, you can take it and drag it to Programs, or you can cut and go back and paste it in Programs. Once you do that, it will no longer show up as we've seen it before. It will show up straight there in the All Apps section. So I hope this video was helpful for some of you. I know Windows 10 is really confusing. Next week's lesson will be on privacy settings and what to change and what not to change. If you like this video, it really helps me to subscribe. It helps to keep the channel going, keep the content moving forward, and always leave a like if you found this helpful, and let me know some other things you want to see in the comments. Alright, thank you very much.